Hello and welcome to Devotion to Writing, a channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice and realize you are creative abundance. Writing for me has always been not just a creative expression, but a way of healing and of discovering, and also a spiritual practice. It is a tool that I have used for many, many years to unearth, to dig, to clear away, to make sense of, and connect with the vast, dynamic, wondrous, indescribable mystery in which we exist. And I guess that is what I always hope to offer in devotion to writing, that your writing practice as a devoted practice is not just a creative practice, but can be a healing practice and a spiritual one as well. And the tips and advice that I offer in these videos are really, they're what I have used over many decades to continue to work. They're what have kept me showing up and forging ahead and being creative. They are the things that have helped me cultivate my creative flow, my practice. So I'm offering here really what I am still learning and what I apply to my own devotion every day. I don't pretend to have a complete understanding of any of this. I am showing up like you show up, sitting at the page and making discoveries daily. And this has become the joy. I never knew this before I was working daily, before I was showing up daily for myself. I never understood just the joy that is in the practice when I was finally able to just relinquish all of the binds on my creativity and just show up to enjoy the process of creating. I discovered that I was able to make so much more than I ever thought possible, and to do it from a place of joy. One discovery that writing delivered to me is just this: the wonder and the excitement of creating. Writing, being creative, brings me present in to the awe of being, to the abundance that is this life. And I think this is the real gift of our creative practice, of our devotion, this wonder, this abundance, this awe. Writing is become really for me like a meditation. The more I sit, the more I find is revealed, the more I see, the more I am, the more patience I have for what is coming, for the work. Just to be with the work is the joy, and the less separate I feel from my own creativity, from my own creations, and the less separate I feel in the world. I feel in creating that I participate, that I am a participant in creation. And this has been such a wonderful, beautiful revelation. And devotion, I think when we're practicing and we're coming daily to writing, this becomes self-perpetuating. The more we come to write, to open, the more we discover that we have to write about, the more we discover there is to open to, and the more we feel this creative energy flowing through us. And the more we feel that energy, the more gladness and joy and awe we experience. And then we want to continue this. We want to show up and have that. And this is the gift of the devotion, of the action. This is the gift of our consistency. Our devoted practice slowly dissolves our resistance. the obstacles that we once had, the blocks, the negative thoughts, the impediments that kept us from writing what we needed to write, saying what we needed to say, um, discovering what we were trying to discover, right? These impediments, these blocks, these negativities, they slowly dissolve or they fall away. And then we are left with what is really, I think, truly at the heart of the creativity of the act of creation, which is yes and is love. And this is all I really ever want to share with you about the devotion, the practice of writing daily, of creating daily, of sitting with yourself and making daily, is that it is writing ourselves to joy, to openness, and to love. So I encourage you, keep showing up, keep writing, make it, if it's only 5 minutes a day, that's fine. Just come for 5 minutes a day. Set a time, sit and write for 5 minutes. If you can do more, you want to do more, do more. Grow your practice. It's all really about the cultivation is to grow, to learn what works for you, how to incorporate this into your day. And that's the point. So to that point, let's write now. Let's write today. Grab your notebook, your laptop, something to write with, and just sit with me for a few minutes and do some writing. And in a minute, you can pause this video and do that if you'd like. Just let me give you a few suggestions as you sit. Just take a few breaths, relax. You can write anything you want. You are free to do this. No one ever has to read what you're going to write. You have permission from yourself to say anything you need to say. You are able to express whatever it is you need to express right here, right now, between you and the page. It is as natural as breathing, this expression of yours. You just have to give yourself permission. So for now, give yourself permission. Write right now. Whatever comes, don't censor yourself. Just express it. Dare. This is your secret, safe place. So now, pause the video and write. And when you finish, come back. How did it go? Did anything come? Were you able to write anything? Thoughts, emotions, feelings, stories, poem? What came up for you? These things that may come up too, that even the feelings that that may suppress or block us in our writing, the voice that comes in and says we can't say something, these are okay too. These are actually can be used as material to write, as opposed to things that keep us from writing. So it's okay if feelings came up, thoughts, negative thoughts, a voice that said you can't say this or you can't do this. It's okay. It happens. It's going to continue to happen because many of us have created a habit around creating. We have a lot of bad habits around it, and I don't mean bad in the sense of they're sinful or something. They're just bad in the sense that they limit us, they restrict us from writing honestly, from writing openly, from expressing freely. So we can just notice as we write these thoughts that come and these feelings that come, and in the process of noticing them, then we can write about them. We can kind of turn their questioning or their negativity back around on them and interrogate their authority. Why are you here? Why are you saying this? Where does this come from? And that's what I was talking about earlier about the writing being a healing art as well, a way of digging in and asking, revealing what is really at the heart or at the root of this this self interrogation, this self-limiting, these voices that come in and say we can't. We question their authority as they manifest. And I just think this is a really great exercise. And we can always, again, we can always do it. In the middle of our writing, say we're writing about a memory we had and this voice comes in and says, you can't do that. We can always ask a question right there on the page. Why can't I do that? Why can't I say this? Who is this protecting, or etc.? So there's always that way to turn it around. This just dissolves the authority that we've given this voice or this idea for so many years, these things that impede us, because these are just our own internal, personal, and creative prejudices. So to interrogate them awakens in us a more dynamic, full spectrum self, and it awakens the beauty that sees you. And that is really a wonderful experience when we get to write beyond those things that are so limiting, when they don't have that power to dissuade us, to suppress us, and we can really write into the wonder of what is occurring when we sit to write, when we sit to create, when we are creative, and we can just feel that flow of creation moving through us. So sit and write today, sit and write tomorrow, continue your practice, continue to build your devotion. If you need help, if you'd like some guidance, or other than these videos, I will be offering, starting April the 8th, a 5-week online on Zoom devotion to writing workshop, 5 Tuesday evenings, April 8th. I think it goes to May 8th, from 7 to 8:30 p.m. Hour and a half Tuesday evenings, and we'll be doing some writing exercises, talking about things like I talk about in these videos, just some advice, some tips for getting us seated, getting you to the page, breaking that silence of the page, and just helping you to cultivate your practice and to express the things in you that you are desiring to express. So if you're interested, you can go to devotiontowriting.com, or you could message me or send me a comment, and I could help you give you the information that you need in order to join that online workshop. These are always very safe and supportive communities. That is very important to me. These are not critique workshops. These are just designed to help you continue to cultivate your writing practice. So perhaps I'll see you at one of these. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did. Please share it with anyone, someone that you think might benefit from it. Spread the word. And I hope you write deeply today. I know that if you do write, you will write beautifully, because beautiful is what you are. Blessings.